Welcome to Blitz Academy. Today we'll be creating a paperclip inside of AutoCAD. First things first is we'll create a new file. Then at the very top, we just need to make sure our workspace is correct, drafting and annotation. We'll start the polyline command, and the reason we're using the polyline command is it allows us to create both straight lines as well as arcs, and this is perfect for our paperclip. The next thing we'll do here is create the circle, which will form our radius that's going to be swept along the paperclip. So now I'll begin the sweep command. I'll select my profile for my circle. I'll select the path, which is the paperclip, and you'll see it creates a nice little 3D model there. The next thing we'll do over here is we just need to make sure we change our workspace once more to 3D modeling, then go over to the Visualize tab, make sure that our material browser is set to stainless steel or steel, and you'll see there's a whole bunch of materials to be selected. I've just dragged the material onto the paperclip. Then inside of our environment manager, we've just got the option to actually go through and enable the reflection environment that we'll find inside of our AutoCAD. That just brings our metal to life. The next thing we'll do here is just create a box that will function as our floor. Then I'm just going to move the floor just a little bit lower and render that out. I don't like the floating, so I'm just going to move it down using the move gizmo. And yes, it is called a move gizmo. We'll quickly edit the material and we'll just reduce the relief pattern, and that will just make sure that the material doesn't look as rough and the surface is a little bit smoother. Then the next thing I'll do here is just change the environment reflection just a little bit, and I'm pretty much happy with that. Let's apply wood onto the floor and let's render it out by clicking on the teapot button. Set the sample rate to high so that it looks a little bit more realistic. Let's zoom in, and that is our paperclip. Thanks for watching.